Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video of NET Mathematics series. And in this video, this is the continuation of the previous video in which we learned about multiplication of matrices and all that. So here it's multiplication of matrices. We learned what is order of a matrix. What do you mean by order of a matrix? By order of a matrix, we mean that rows into columns. So for example, if we see this is a particular matrix, it's having two rows and two columns. So its order would be 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, right? So today's topic is how can we multiply two matrices. So condition for multiplication of these two matrices is going to be that, here you go, suppose this is order this is matrix A, this is B, and order of matrix A is m into n, m cross n, rows into column. Order of B is m into n. So you would say that number of columns of first matrix must be equal to number of rows of second matrix. So product AB is only feasible or possible if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of second matrix, right? For example, here you go. First let's discuss or decide what are the positions of elements of a matrix. So if you see, this is first row, this is second row, this is first column, this is second column, right? So this position is coming at the first row in first column, first row in second column, this is second row in first column, second row second column. So we're going to say that this is A11, 1 means first row first column, A12, 12 means this is first row second column, right? This is A21, that's second row first column, second row second column, right? So when we need to multiply these two matrices, this is how we are going to do. So first of all, we will check if number of columns of first is equal to number of rows of second. If it is, then we are going to multiply these two matrices, and process of multiplication is going to be, we multiply first row with first column. Okay, so since we have learned that these are supposed for position, so it is going to be first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. So you're going to multiply first row with first column, and you multiply it in a way that you multiply first row with first column 2 into 1 and 3 into 3. So it's 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Then it goes first row second column, it's 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4. Then it goes second row first column, it's 5 into 1 plus 6 into 3. And then second row second column, this is second row, this is second column, it's going to be 5 into 2 plus 6 into 4. So my answers are going to be 2 plus 9, 11, 12 plus 4, 16, 5 plus 18 is 23, and 24 and 10, 34. So this is going to be this way. So product AB is equal to 11, 16, 23 and 34. Right guys, so this is the method how we are going to multiply a 2 cross 2 matrix. Condition is obvious that number of columns of first must be equal to number of rows of second. So you write order of first matrix, it's m into n, order of second matrix, it's m into n. So you see, this is common thing, that is number of columns and number of rows that must be same, right? And yes, first matrix number of rows, number of column must be equal to number of rows of the second. For example, this is how we execute multiplication. First row first column, first row second column, second row first column, second row second column. Okay. Now the next is multiplication of a 3 cross 3 matrices. It's very important, but we follow the same rule. Okay, we follow the same rule, and yes, this is row 1, row 2 and row 3, and this is your column 1, column 2 and column 3, column 1, column 2 and column 3, and we'll be executing multiplication in exactly the same way we did in the previous example for 2 cross 2. So you can see number of columns of first are equal to number of rows of second matrix. So you do first row into first column, you multiply 1 into 3, 2 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. Then first row second column, it's 1 into 5 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 3 into 8. The next is going to be first to third column, 1 into 4, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 7, right? Similarly, we're going to multiply second row with first column and second column and third column. So this is how we're going to multiply these two matrices. These are the results. Okay, we're going to multiply first row with first column, first row with second column, first row third column, second row with first column, second row second column, second row third column, and then third row first column, third row second column, and third row third column. These are the values and these are the final answers, right? Okay, at the end, there are very frequent questions related to this order of a resultant matrix, that okay, if we can multiply A and B of order maybe 2 into 3 and B has order 3 into 7. So this was condition that number of columns of first row must be equal to number of rows of second, right? Number of rows of the second matrix. What will be the order of resultant matrix? So, you know, order of resultant matrix is equal to 2 cross 7. So number of rows into number of columns. Okay, thank you very much. Do subscribe on my channel and share this video with the friends who are also looking for an NET preparation. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.